demonstrate you the special massager vibration belt, which you can use this on a car, you can use this on in your home, at your sofa, at your bed, wherever you are comfortable with. This gives a huge, relax to your back. So this has got a remote. I'll demonstrate you how to use this. There's a wire along with it. You can connect this to the power supply through an adapter that is supplied along with the massager only. This adapter you can connect this power supply. Then there is this remote which you can use this on for vibration and all the purposes. So like you can just press on this power button. This will get it switched on. Then there is a heat button. This, if you switch it on, it means it will start heating up the belt. So it gives a relaxation to your back. Then there are 3 different buttons which you can use one by one for different parts of your body. I'll demonstrate you how to use this. So this is the belt which has the lower part, the middle part and the top part. Once you switch on the lower part to the lower, so it will get vibrating, the lower part get vibrating, but at very low speed. Then you can switch this on to high. This high will get it more vibration on this. So like the second thing, this is, so you see this is the lower part and then this is the middle part. You switch on this to low, so it will start vibrating lowly, and again to high it will start vibrating fastly. Then this is the top part. Again you can switch this to low, and then you can switch it again to high, so this will again start vibrating fastly. So this will give a complete rest to your back. There was one more thing that is there. This is the air pressure. This air pressure you can press it again and again. So once you press it, it will get blowing up the air inside this, giving more rest to your back. You can adjust it according to your back, according to your requirements. So once you get through with it, you can press the deflate button just to take off all the air from it. So this has got a special function which gives a complete massage to your back. So you can switch this off one by one, switch off the heat, switch off the power. You can use this belt anywhere, use it in your car. It has gets supplied with a power 12-volt adapter which you can put it in your car cigarette lighter within it, and you can just use it in your car. You can use it on your bed, you can use it on your sofa, use it on your chair, wherever you are comfortable with. Gives a complete rest to your back. Thank you.